Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a forgotten kingdom surrounded by a magical forest. This kingdom, known as Eldoria, was once filled with joy and laughter. But over the years, the magic that protected Eldoria began to fade, and darkness crept into the land. In a small cottage on the edge of the forest, lived a little fairy named Liora. Liora was no ordinary fairy, she was brave and kind-hearted, always eager to help others. Despite her small size, she had a big heart and dreamed of restoring the lost magic to her beloved kingdom. One bright morning, while Liora was gathering flowers, she encountered a mysterious stranger in the forest. He was an old man with a long, white beard and a cloak that shimmered like the night sky. His eyes twinkled with wisdom and secrets. "Greetings, little fairy," said the old man. "I am Elric, the guardian of this forest. I sense that you have a pure heart and a brave spirit. The time has come for you to fulfill your destiny." Liora was puzzled but excited. "What destiny?" she asked. Elric smiled and handed her a glowing, ancient map. "This map will lead you to the source of the lost magic. You must find the 3 enchanted crystals hidden deep within the forest. Only then can you restore the magic to Eldoria." Determined to save her kingdom, Liora set off on her journey. The first destination on the map was the Whispering Woods, a place filled with talking trees and mischievous sprites. As she ventured deeper, the trees began to whisper warnings and advice. "Beware of the dark shadows," said one tree. "Trust your heart, and you will find your way," said another. Following the tree's guidance, Liora soon discovered the first crystal, hidden inside a hollow tree, guarded by a sprite named Fizzle. Fizzle was tricky, but Leora's kindness melted his heart. He handed her the crystal with a promise to help whenever she needed. Next, the map led Liora to the frozen lake, a place of eternal winter. The lake was enchanted, and beneath its icy surface lay the second crystal. Liora met a snow fairy named Ilara, who told her about the Ice Queen's curse that froze the lake. To break the curse, Liora had to solve the Ice Queen's riddle. With her quick wit and determination, Liora answered correctly, and the lake's ice melted, revealing the second crystal. Ilara joined Liora, promising to aid her in her quest. The final leg of the journey took Liora to the Fiery Mountains, home to fierce dragons and molten lava. The path was treacherous, but Liora pressed on, knowing her kingdom's fate depended on her. At the heart of the mountains, she found the last crystal guarded by a powerful dragon named Draconis. Unlike other dragons, Draconis was wise and compassionate. He challenged Liora to prove her bravery and kindness. Impressed by her courage and selflessness, Draconis willingly gave her the final crystal. With all 3 crystals in hand, Liora returned to Eldoria. She placed the crystals in the ancient altar at the kingdom's heart. A burst of light erupted, and the land was bathed in a golden glow. The darkness that had plagued Eldoria vanished, and the kingdom's magic was restored. The people of Eldoria cheered and celebrated Leora's bravery. Elric appeared once more, smiling proudly. "You have done well, little fairy. Your bravery and kindness have saved Eldoria. The magic of this land will flourish once more, thanks to you." Leora's heroic deeds became legendary, and she was honored as the savior of Eldoria. But Liora remained humble and continued to help others, her heart as pure as ever. She knew that true magic came not from enchanted crystals, but from the kindness and courage within. The enchanted forest thrived, and Eldoria blossomed into a land of joy and wonder once again. Leora's story spread far and wide, inspiring many to believe in the power of bravery, kindness, and the magic within. And so, the forgotten kingdom was forgotten no more, all thanks to a brave little fairy who believed in her dreams and the magic of her heart. The moral of this story is that true bravery and kindness can restore even the darkest of places. No matter how small or insignificant one might feel, the courage to help others and the belief in oneself can create miracles. The real magic lies within us, in our actions and our hearts.